So here what we will do, we will prepare the financial statement versions or profit and loss balance sheet. SAP is providing the standard profit and loss or the balance sheet format. Suppose you want to create your own as per your statutory requirement, then how we will create? So that one we will design. Financial accounting. Go to business transaction. It's there in the no. It's there in the periodic processing. Document. Define financial statement version. New entry. Create any profit and loss. Maintenance language. Remove this one, item keys auto, because we will not follow the SAP format. We will create our own. Remove it and add the chart of account. Save it. Click on financial statement items. Select. Now we will redesign it. Okay, so how we will do this? We'll do like this. Okay, select this one, create items. So let's say what I will take balance sheet items. Then income statement. Okay, undistributed or unassigned account. Now change these categories. That means for example, let's say okay, let's change it first. Assets, liabilities, this one take with profit, right? So net profit, transferred to capital. Similarly, loss, profit loss, then P&L result. What we will name it, net result. footnotes, unassigned accounts. Okay, now we will do the mapping. That means asset will go to under balance sheet, select it. So this one we will move, this one we will move to here. Select, then this one select, reassign. Similarly, liability, select, under the liability and equity, we will transfer this profit and loss. So not this one. Yes, this one, profit. Or we can name it in a different way. We can name this as retained earning profit. Retained earning loss. So add this one, select to liability and equity, reassign this one also. And this one net result, this one transferred to P&L, income statement. P&L means income statement. Select, assign here. Okay, one more is there, unassigned accounts. So this unassigned accounts, let's say we'll create something. Better we will create something. So this one assigned asset, both are balance sheet. So okay, income statement is also there. Then these two, let's assign to this one. Select, assign here. So main head created, unassigned account, income statement, and balance sheet. Now keep on expanding one and work on other areas. Let's say under asset, what are the other items will be there? Your fixed asset, current assets. So expand it. We'll do one thing. We will change the number. Let's say we will do one thing. Make it 11. 10. Hithas, I just so now we started late. Actually, I was waiting. So created let me complete this one. I have created three. This one, balance sheet, income statement, and unassigned. So under balance sheet, so far I have created two heads, liability and asset. Under liability, I added the profit or loss. Under income statement, net result, and on unassigned account, this is so far I did only this much. Okay, let's change the number. Make it 1. Make it 2. Then Okay, 5 6, this is 3, it's okay, 3 4 5. Okay, we'll see. So net results. Okay, now let's expand this one. Asset, double click. We'll take this one to series, so make it like under this, select create items, so make it to 1, that is your fixed asset. Double 2, that is your current asset. 2 3, others. Similarly, under liability you can add create items, equities, then loans, current liability, eleven is already there. Let's change it first. Eleven 12 if I will take. Okay, make it 8 9. Equities, then loans, long-term loans, current liability, similarly you can also expand income statement, create item. 3 is there, 4 5 is there, so 6, let's say, make it revenue, cost and expenses, revenue, cost, net result, profit or loss, and whatever the net result we will calculate, it will transfer to our return earning. We can do one thing, we can transfer this one under this equity, select, assign this one also. It's just arrangement only, nothing else. Okay, now under equity, the profit or loss, long-term loans, current liabilities. Okay, now let's expand the current asset. So under current asset, create items, select create items. So this one 2 double 2 1. So in current asset you have cash and cash equivalent, cash and cash equivalent, then receivables, stock, then prepaid expense if any. Anything we can expand? Cash equivalent, both cash and bank I will put here. Um, okay, fine. Next, we will assign the accounts, ledger balances. Ledger balance not required, you just add the ledger, automatic balance will carry forward. So equity we don't have. If you have equity capital, then we can add this one. So leave it. Okay, let's start from here. So these are all your expenses. So add this under the income statement, cost and expenses. Select assign accounts from 1000 to ledger number 1000 to 1012. These are also expenses. $1,500 to 1523. Assets. I don't think we have asset balance. Let's see. So fixed asset. Select assign account 2000 to 2002. Current asset. Cash and cash equivalent. So where it is? Select assign accounts 2500 cash account 2500. Cash should always debit balance, but here we randomly posted the transaction, so you will find some negative entries in cash, right? So that's why I'm activating the credit entry. Otherwise cash always debit entry should be. Cash journal also same 25102. Then bank accounts. One bank account is there, add it. Stock. Select assign 2513 2514 debit balance, and raw material also, material stock 2516. Input tax, which is your other item. So receivables, here we need to create one more under current asset. Prepaid expense, we can put it here 2515. It's debit balance. Vendor advance, this is your other item. Receivables, vendor advance not part of receivable, actually it is other items, so I need to create one. It's there. Accounts receivable, two five one eight. Bills receivable also receivable 2519. Two five two zero. Some bank account maybe we have created. Current liability. Loan account. It should be credit balance. In this block account, I don't know actually. Let's put it under this category. Okay, under this we need to create under this category. I have to create the item. The item is 91 unassigned. This one I want to put it under here. The flag node cannot be moved to the target node. Why it is not working? Actually, this one will be auto transferred. Yes, auto transfer. Okay, leave it. We'll see. Then accounts payable, current liability. Select assign 3003. This should be accounts payable means normal credit balance, debit balance maybe. Output tax. Any other item is there? No. Okay, put it under here. Actually, under this current liability, we can create accounts payable and other. Okay, let's do that. Create items 131 accounts payable, others. Select assign account 3003. These are clearing accounts, so it should be zero balance. Customer advance liability, put it on the other. 3007. This should be 0. Bills payable. Okay, here some items are there. This should be zero balance. Okay, make sure that this clearing account should be 0. So here we can confirm this should be 0 balance. Three five double zero two 3501. This should be 0 balance, clear balance. If it is not 0, then you have to do the reconciliation first. Then we need to, after before preparation of balance sheet, it should be reconciled. So leave it accumulated depreciation. Accumulated depreciation, I can put it under the, I can deduct it from the asset itself. So under fixed asset, add it. 3502 3503. It should be credit balance. Then one more account is there. This is your main bank. Here some balance should be there. So go to current asset, cash and cash equivalent, assign account. Whatever the balance will be there after reconciliation only in this account. So maybe debit balance or maybe OD credit balance. Check this account once, 3504. Okay, here some balance is there after reconciliation. It's a negative balance, credit balance is there. Then what left? Revenue. Credit balance. Next, we will run the balance sheet. First step, make sure that your debit balance and credit balance should be matched, or trial balance should be matched before execution of this balance sheet or FSV. So go to account balance, not reporting period 5. Total debit 2612.877, total credit 2612.87790. So it is balanced, total debit and total credit. This is Jan to May, this is the total. So now we will run the report. Balance sheet, profit and loss statement, general, balance sheet and profit and loss statement, so you can run the report for leading ledger as well as non-leading ledger also. So this is your financial statement version just now we created. Okay, this is for comparison purpose, 2017 comparison. Select any format from this. Let's say I will take ALV grid control. Now execute. In this format it is difficult. Okay, we'll take Okay, what is the first criteria? Balance sheet should be tally. So your as total liability equivalent to total asset. This is the first checkpoint. Okay, both should be tally. Then next go to income statement. This is your revenue. This is your cost and net result. So what is the net result? Minus losses is there. So 528,438. So this balance should be transferred to your equity. Some difference is there. Why? Yeah, 20,000 some balance is there. Some account. It should be equally same. Yeah, these two block due to this two block account. Due to these two blocked account, we need to adjust these two accounts somewhere. Where the block account we got it? Just give me 1 minute. We need to adjust these two accounts. Some transactions are there. Three zero zero one 3002. Run it once again. So what is your net result? 528,438. 528,438. So due to that, due to those two accounts, it is there. Okay, so this is your profit and loss and balance it. This one is your income statement. In income statement, what total? This is your revenue. This is your cost, credit balance, debit balance. So cost is more, so that is the losses is there. Calculated result loss, and this loss transferred to your equity. Capital is not there, so that's why this is the loss. Okay, which one is updated? Loss account. So return earning loss is there calculated. This one loans zero balance, nothing is there. In current liability, this something. Okay,